Enrica Formenta, WGM Janelle May Fraina, WIM Jan Fronda Grafin, WIM Bernadette Garas, WIM Shania May Mendoza, GM Darwin Lilo, IM Paulo Bersamina, WIM Roel Canino, GM Joey Antonio, Mr. Franz Grafin, and Mrs. Sally Bersamina are here with us.
Thank you. We welcome our champions, our medalists to the Philippine Senate. Thank you very much.
Yes, congratulations to them, Mr. President. Thank you for bringing pride to the Philippines.
Yes, sir. Senator Zingo is final request.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, this representation filed proposed Senate Resolution number 10, commending and congratulating the Philippine contingent at the 33rd SEA Games for winning 50 golds, 73 silver, and 154 bronze medals. The country placed the 6th overall in the final medal tally and 4th in terms of aggregate medal count of 277 medals. And at the proper time, Mr. President, this presentation wishes to sponsor this resolution, and hopefully this chamber can adopt the same. Saludo po ako sa Athletic Philippines. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Senator Estrada, for that request. We would like to associate ourselves with the manifestation of the gentleman from Samoa.
Yes, what we could do, Mr. President, when we come back on January after the Christmas and New Year's holiday, we can actually prep them all with a good resolution, invite them all here, the medalists, and have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and photo op with these good men and women who brought pride to the Philippines and honor them with a approved Senate resolution.
Yes, indeed. We will. Thank you very much.
So, Mr. President, to make this day